Frank is going to teach you how to create a video sales letter using a different landing page platform, but he asked us to show how to create the exact same page using our platform called Megaphone. Now, we believe Megaphone creates the most beautiful templates out there, and it's the easiest to use platform there is, and we really stand behind that. We're really proud of it, and so that's what I want to demonstrate to you today. So if you like what you see about Megaphone, we've got a special offer down below where you could sign up and try it out for yourself. But without further ado, I'm going to show you how to create a video sales letter. And once again, this is the same page that Frank's going to teach in another video, but we're just showing you how to create that exact same page with our platform called Megaphone. So let's go over to my screen here and check it out. Inside Megaphone, you'll notice that there's not a lot of clutter. There's not a lot of things going on. It's just very easy to understand what you're looking at. So here we're looking at a list of templates that I could pick for my page, right? And there's a bunch of categories up at the top so you can narrow down which templates you're looking for. So in this case, for a video sales letter, we're going to click on sales. And it filtered it by all our different sales page templates. Now you'll see we have a lot of just beautiful options to choose from. But for this case, I'm going to go down to this one called Simple Video Sales. And I'm just going to click Use This Template. When I do that, Megaphone pops up a box that asks me, what do I want to call my page? Pretty easy. We could give it any title we want. So I could just say Video Sales Letter and hit Create Page. When I do that, the beautiful editor pops up. It's a live preview on the right, and then there's functions to change the page on the left, right? It's very self-explanatory. So one of the first things that I want to do on this page is I want to add a headline and a sub-headline, right? Because that's just, it could be really effective to be above the video. So I'm going to click over here on Show Hide Elements, and I'm just going to say, hey, I want to show the headline on this template, and I want to show the subhead. And I'll hit save. So you'll see those popped in there, and now I can just click on them to change them, right? So I'll go over here and I'll type some copy that Frank would do. He would say something like, it worked. He would spell it right though. Your request was safely received. And he loves doing these little smiley faces. All right, and I'll hit save. And then for the subheadline, same thing. Let's just change that to Kernish copy. You should receive your reporting by email in about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, watch this important video tutorial, right? And hit save, okay? Now we get to the video, right? Let me tell you something, you don't need to monkey around with code. You don't need to go find an embed code on another system. Let me show you how easy it is. I'm just gonna click on the video and you paste in the URL to your video. That's it, no embed codes or HTML or anything like that. It supports YouTube, Vimeo, Vidler, and like Frank's gonna show, Wistia, right? So I'm gonna go over here and just paste in my Wistia URL. Look at that, just pasting in the URL without me even clicking a button or something. It sucked in this video's thumbnail and it sucked in the whole video, so it's ready to go on my page. That's it. I'm just going to click save. And look at our page looks almost done. Click here to add cart now, that button, that reads fine. Of course, I can click on it. If I wanted to change that button, I could. And here's where it says URL is where I would put the URL to my checkout page, right? So you would just put the URL to the page that they're actually going to put their billing information in when they want to buy your product. So for this video, I'm just going to cancel out of there because it looks fine. And you'll see there's some guarantee stuff down below. You can, of course, just change that if you want. I'm going to leave it alone. But one thing that I want to show you is how to make this button appear at a specific time. Usually you want to wait in the video until the perfect point in the video to display the button to them. And so all we do is click timed reveal. And we could just say the number of minutes or seconds to make this button appear. So I'm just going to say 4 seconds for this demo, and I'll hit save. That's it. This page is ready for traffic. You'll see that there's a URL here at the top. That page, that's a URL I could just give to people right now. I could start sending traffic to it and they would see this. It's out on the internet. There's no other FTPing or anything required. Of course, if I wanted to put my own domain name on there too, it's really easy. It's just in the URL settings. Click on that and add it. But for this case, I'm just going to click preview and you'll see the page in all its glory. You'll see there's no button there. I'm going to wait 4 seconds and there's the button. It's that simple. Megaphone makes it easy, and this is beautiful too. These pages look great on mobile devices, every single one of them. And there's also built-in real-time stats so you can see how your pages are converting. There's a lot of other cool features, But for today's demo, it was just showing how to create this video sales letter, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.